I love it. Every day that I have a survey is a great day.
You get to hang out in the environment. There's all kinds of just natural beauty everywhere. You get to do all kinds of things you typically would need to pay a considerable amount of money for.
I've always wanted to look at fish in their natural habitat, not just, fishing them. Just seeing them coming out of the dark, or we don't even see them, and then they come at you, and it's like so exciting and so cool.
I'm a 31 Bravo, which is a military policeman.
I was in the Army.
I served for 4 years.
My unit is combat support.
I was in 88 November.
I got stationed in Fort Hood, Texas.
It's similar to the military. Show up in the right uniform on time, dress properly with the right attitude.
But it's not as intense.
I just really didn't want to sit behind a desk anymore. This had the opportunity of like a really varied experience where I could get out and do things in nature and hike and play in the mud a bit.
Being out here introduced me to the outdoors and how much I actually enjoy being in the outdoors, more so than I like being inside of a little building playing the same 3 pop songs all over again as you stock the same thing on the shelf you just stocked yesterday.
My old job, I would kind of like dread waking up, I would sometimes be a little late. So this structure, like the way that it's set up, it was an easy transition from the military. Fish are real sneaky, especially the trout.
Trout, they kind of squirrel away into crevices and cracks and hide away from you very, very quickly.
Oh, there are fish. Nice.
All the projects that we do is based on the fish. So the plants is for the fish, the creek restoration is for the fish, conserving waters for the fish.
It's been great. I really appreciate nature a lot more just with how much that they've taught me.
When I got out of the Army, I didn't know anything about plants. Like I did not know how to snorkel survey when I got here. I didn't know how to electrofish, and I can basically do all that right now.
The actual stuff that we're doing,
This is a great experience.
completely different from anything that I'd experienced.
It's a great program to learn and get your foot in.
To any vets who are considering this program, I definitely go into fisheries.
NOAA Veterans Program allows for so much diversity in terms of what you're doing as well as the departments that you're working with.
For fisheries, yeah, this is it.
And hopefully I can continue this career in conservation.